another VCR. Woo-hoo. It's another 4-head monophonic. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's an Admiral. Go, what? Let me explain what happened. This was like in the 90s when Montgomery Ward was still around. Remember them? And Admiral was their electronics line after Bell and Howell. And before Bell and Howell, they had the signature lines. So yeah. And all this is nothing more than a rebadged sharp. And found this at the thrift store, not the same thrift store as that Funai, that fucked up nothing appliance, whatever, I don't know. Either way, I'll figure something out later, but yeah. I saw this, and the best part is it came with a remote, which I have. And fresh batteries too, so don't know if the batteries are fresh, but we'll find out later. But yeah. JSJ20450 4-head rapid rewinding system, auto clock setting. Some of these had the shuttle dial, but that was like maybe 97, 98. So here's the instructions, or the guide, or whatever the hell you want to call it. That's if you can find an analog signal to set the clock. Analog TV is long gone, so bye bye. So let's take a look back. Admiral electronic equipment, model JSJ20450, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 20 watts. Montgomery Ward and Company, Chicago, Illinois 60671. Unfortunately, Montgomery Ward is just a name now because all they're doing like a fingerhut thing, mail order catalogs. And yes, audio in, audio out. So yes, another monophonic. The fresh battery is probably because they want to be nice, but also I like how the fact they took the batteries out so it wouldn't leak. So that's what you need to do, folks. You need to take the batteries out of your clocks, remotes, whatever, before donating them. Just so I won't have to deal with the crap later. And the hell with it. May as well see if this does work. The batteries are still good. Okay, so, yep, it works. Okay, so the working remote and the batteries are fresh, so that's good. So let me get the TV and another tape, because unfortunately that old McDonald tape got stuck in that fucked up model. And we'll give this thing a go. And as you can see, it's searching through the channels. I don't even have the power on. Well, the power is on, but not on. Well, you get the idea. It's plugged up, so. Unless it's supposed to be on channel 4. No. Oh. Fail. I've got to hook up the cable, so stand by. Alright. Technical difficulties aside, as you can tell, we have the flashing clock. Not 12, but almost as annoying. Another one. Maybe I should just, fuck, it's already hooked up, so. Let me get a tape, and, well, I'm taking a huge gamble on this, so. Let me get the thing set up, and we'll go from there. I'm taking a huge gamble on this This is why I buy dump tapes. Again, sooner or later, dump tape is going to be good, so yeah. I think the heads need to be cleaned because I'm not getting any sound, or this tape is worn the fuck out. Okay, well, let me see if it rewinds properly. No eject. No eject. How nice. Don't get up, I'll do it myself. It might be tape, so let me try another one and I'll get back with you in a moment. Clip of the big red dog. Don't ask. Well, it seems to be a little better. Sounds better, but we'll find out in a moment. Eventually.
Hi, my name is Emily Elizabeth, and this is Clifford, my big red dog.
Clifford needed a mommy, so she chose him for her own. And loving Clifford was so big.
Okay, I guess it's crucial that Kissyfur tape is worn the fuck out, so probably wind this pretty away, and I guess it's good to go that this VCR is gonna be good to go. I might just take the belts off and replace them. But since this is an Admiral rebadged sharp, I mean, sharp VCRs are pretty good, so. So that's that. This Admiral JSJ, what was it? JSJ20450. I bought a thrift store. I can say I got this VCR from Montgomery Ward. Yeah, that's gonna work. But yeah. So another one saved, another one that can be used. So till next time, wherever it is, and Eskie, thanks for watching. Comment box is open.